Okay. Okay. Today is June 28th, year 2020. 2025. We're here at Manny's Sunico home. We're playing boat. Okay guys, look at Pyong new boat purchased from Lazada. Pyong, go. Ha? Ayan, ayan kay Pyong. Ayan, ang bilis. Ang bilis kay Pyong. Oh. Straight, go farther, yan, farther. Oh, meron. Ang bilis.
Kailangan merong pinipindot para.
Okay, sindot ko na lang kulang. Ako, Erwin. Bihang-biha lang sumama si Erwin dito, no? Oo. Saka si Pyong. Pyong. And his boat. Okay. Yan, kompleto kami. Look at our stuff. Ito boat. I also bring my Vitol. Ito, newly printed 3D 3D printed boat. Gawa ni Erwin. Oh. Galing!
Gastos!
Okay, that's about it. Ako naman. Teka. Where's my there.
But don't to the wall or don't make my boat.
Yan yung boat ko.
Okay, enough.
Yan, that's my boat. Yan, I'm using a single hand to control my boat. Gusto mo, papakan ako sa inyo, steak.
Yeah.
Hintay ka lang. Ang laki dito. Halos di ko kaya ubusin tong yung runway niya. Malaki.
Then you let it rest muna.
Why?
It's going to get hot. The motor might break.
Okay.
Electric chair yan. Nakarinig ka lang ng pagkain.
Ay, ingat, baka mahulog ka. Meron kong dalang steak para sa inyo. Steak tayo.